how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can transfer USDT from Bybit to your Binance app. So first open your Bybit apps. Now on the bottom right corner click on asset. Now click on deposit. Now click on withdraw. After that on the top bar click on search and then here search for USDT and select the USDT. Now go back to your Binance app, open Binance, go to wallet, click on deposit. Now on the top search for USDT and then select the USDT. Now select BNB Smart Chain. Now copy the deposit address, just click on copy and then go back to your Bybit apps. Now enter the copied address. Now you have to select the network, select BEP20 and then you can select your amount. After that on the bottom right corner click on withdraw, then you will get USDT from your Bybit apps. So that's how you can do that. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.